Hello everyone, JoRaSe here, and we are at the conclusion of the painting of the 3D printed pony model. I'm quite pleased with how she came out, and all we really need to do now is add something here and here to keep it from scratching any surfaces. So I've got some felt padding that has a sticky on the back, and we're just gonna cut out some little pads here. So we'll use little small little bits for these. Got that one separated. Just lay it down on there and press it in. And I'm not trying to get the entire surface covered, just enough to provide padding. Another thin strip for the other side. Peel it off. And now lay it on again. So that'll be about there, I would say. So there we go. Those two are now padded. Let's do the hooves next. And these can be a little bit thicker. So there we go, got our sides there, and now just peel it up and off and affix it to, that's a little bit big, let's cut a little bit off there. A little bit should do it. Yeah, this will work. Take off just a touch more, I guess. There we go. So that's one hoof. Now one more, and we You can call this a completed model, or completed 3D printed model, I should say. So I got the bit cut off that needs to be cut off. Just peel the backing off again. There we go. Put it on. And there we go. Not going to scratch or scuff up any surface. The felt also keeps the underside of the model from getting damaged as well. So that's why I wanted to put it on as well. So there we go. We have completed our pony print model, or my pony print model. Now, I'll have to see what else I've got for 3D printing. See you all next time. Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed the video you just watched. If you did, right here, let's move my head over, there we go, right here is going to be another video in the future for the next in this particular series. And over here is going to be the previous video in this series, along with a subscribe button down below it. So feel free to give that a hit, and be sure to like the video if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't. And let's see. Oh yeah, be sure to leave a comment. I'd appreciate knowing what your thoughts are. Until the next one, everyone.